Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to generate a system health report of your Windows performance. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is start off by opening up the search menu, and you want to type in Perfmon. Best match to come back with Performance Monitor. Go ahead and open that up. Alternatively, you can also just search for Performance Monitor as well. On the left side, you want to expand Data Collection Sets, and then select System. Where it says System Diagnostics, go ahead and just click on it one time, and then select the little play icon to start the data collection set. And then you should have a bunch of different information sources that should come out, and you see the different output locations for said files. So there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process on that. If you went backward, you can also do a system performance check as well if you click the little start arrow next to that one. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.